Exercise 3.5. Question number 4, part 3. Yash scored 40 marks in a test, getting 3 marks for each right answer and losing 1 mark for each wrong answer. Had 4 marks been awarded for each correct answer and 2 marks been deducted for each incorrect answer, then Yash would have scored 50 marks. How many questions were there in the test? So we will start it by assuming, let the number of right answers be x and number of wrong answers be y. That implies total questions will be equal to, if right answers are x and wrong answers are y, the total question will be equal to x plus y. Okay. Now, according to question, we are given that Yash is getting 3 marks for each right answer. If number of right answers are x and he is getting 3 marks for each right answer, then total marks he has got is 3x. And he is losing 1 mark for each wrong answer. So if he is having number of y wrong answers and losing 1 mark for each, that is minus 1y, and by doing so he is getting total marks 40. Here we have used minus sign because he is losing marks. He is getting right answers, so this answer is, this sign is plus for getting marks and minus sign is for losing marks. So the first equation we get is 3x minus y is equal to 40. This is your equation number 1. Again, in second situation we are given that had 4 marks been awarded for each correct answer and 2 marks been deducted for each incorrect answer, then Yash would have scored 50 marks. That means in place of 3 marks, if he would have got 4 marks for each right answer, so 4x will be the total marks for right answers. And if in place of 1 mark, if 2 marks are deducted for each wrong answer, then he would have got 50 marks. This is equation number 2. Now if we are solving it by cross multiply method, so we have to convert both the equations in standard form. So 3x minus y minus 40 equal to 0 and 4x minus 2y minus 50 is equal to 0. And from this we get the values of a1, which is 3, b1, which is equal to minus 1, c1, which is equal to minus 40, a2, which is equal to 4, b2, which is equal to minus 2, c2 is equal to minus 50. We can solve this question by any method, as the name of method is not mentioned in the question. So we can do it by any method in examination. But just now, as it is the part of the exercise which we are solving by cross multiply method, so I am doing it by cross multiply. So here we have the formulas for this. Since x is equal to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1, and y is equal to C1 A2 minus C2 A1 upon A1 B2 minus A2 B1. These are the formulas. So first find the value of x. So x is equal to B1 C2 minus 1 into minus 50 minus B2 C1 minus 2 into minus 40 upon A1 B2 3 into minus 2 minus A2 B1 4 into minus 1. By mistake I have put this 4 in bracket. 4 is positive, so bracket is not required. X is equal to, now let us multiply. Minus 1 into minus 50 is equal to 50 minus 2 into minus 40 is equal to 80. This 80 will be plus, but because of minus sign it will be minus, upon 3 into minus 2 is minus 6 minus 4 into minus 1 will be equal to plus 4. That implies x is equal to 50 minus 80 is minus 30 upon minus 6 plus 4 equal to minus 2. Minus sign cancels. You can cancel this by 2. So we get x is equal to 15. Again, y is equal to, the formula of y is C1 A2. So C1 into A2 minus 40 into 4 minus C2 A1 minus 50 into 3 upon, as you can see denominator is same, so we can simply write here minus 2. That implies y is equal to, 1 minute, yes, correct, minus 160 minus minus plus 150 upon minus 2. That implies y is equal to minus 10 upon minus 2. Both minus can be cut and we can cut it by 2. That implies y is equal to 5. This implies that total questions in the test were x plus y, that is 15 plus 5, which is equal to 20.